Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover on how to create a Google Calendar invitation in Google Mail. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To cover for this video is that how to send an invitation on Google Calendar by using Gmail. So first of all, you can choose the email that has been sent to you by the guest that you want to invite him or her into an event through Google Calendar. So for example, I'll just choose this one, which is an email from Gina Young, invitation for a webinar. So what we can do to create an event on Google Calendar by using Gmail is that we can see here there is a three dot option here, so you just click here, then there will be a couple of options here, so you just click or choose create event, so it will direct you to the Google Calendar, directly bring you to the Google Calendar. So here you can see here the topic for the event has been created, which is the topic of the email that I have chosen earlier. So for this to make an event, you can see there are many options here. So for example, if it is a webinar, so you can choose what is the platform that you want to use for the conference or the video conferences. So here there is Hangout. So if you want to create an event that use Hangout, so you can just put it here. If and only if you want to use any other platform such as Zoom, you can just create or just put the link to the Zoom platform, your meeting, and also the code and as well as the passwords for the meeting. Next, if it is a physical event, such as that the event will be held somewhere near your house or anything at any location, so you can just add a location here. And the third one, you can set when will this event, when will the guest or the participants will be notified by Google Calendar for the event. For example, in this for this event, I've set it to 30 minutes. You can even either set it to 10 minutes. It is up to you. If it is a webinar, I think that 30 minutes or 10 minutes is enough for the participants to be ready for the conference. So here the organizer names. So here is the color of the event that will be inserted in the Google Calendar. So if you choose the blue one, then it will appear blue one. So here are the descriptions for the event. As you can see here, there are these descriptions. Actually, these descriptions is taken from the email before. Here you can see here. So if you want to change this description into your joint meeting ID or your meeting passwords, you can just put it here. So as I've chosen an email from a person, so it will automatically add the person as a guest. So, but if I want to put this event on a group of members or a group of people, you can just add the guest here, which you can write simply add the email here, and you will add the guest here. For example, I want to add this one, so you can see he is being added here. But if you want to cancel his participation in this event, you can just simply click this remove him or her from the event. So 3 steps. First, you can just click on any email from the Gmail. Once you click the email, you can just simply click this 3 dot choice, which you can simply click create event. So you can create the event here, by choosing all the needs here, and simply click save, and the event will be appeared in the guest Google Calendar that have been set here. So that's all to how to create or how to invite a person for for an event using Google Calendar in Gmail.